Listen carefully. If you're watching this, it's probably because deep down you know you've got a problem. You spend way too much time. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You're wasting your energy on your laptop, your phone, behind closed doors. And no, I don't mean studying. I don't mean working. I mean the addiction that's silently eating your disciplined life. Porn. Now you might be loading, you might think, come on bro, it's not that serious, but here is the reality. If it wasn't serious, you wouldn't even be here, right now, watching me talk about it. So, something inside you already know it's messing with your mind, your confidence, your drive, and I'm here to tell you exactly why and how to break free before it wins you completely. So, you are addicted. Let's be honest with yourself. How many times have you told yourself, this is the last time? You close the tab, you feel guilty, and you promise never again. And then tomorrow, boom, you're right back at it. That's not self-control, that's addiction. That's weakness. It's the same as saying you will eat one fry at McDonald's and ending up inheriting the entire money. You think you are in control? But the truth is, you're hooked. And if you can't stop, even when you want to stop, congratulations. You have just proven you are addicted. So wake up, wake up, wake up. You wake up, you're tired. You wake up tired, you drag the day, you don't feel that fire inside anymore, and you are confused. You think, maybe I need more coffee. Maybe I need to sleep better. No, bro. You're draining your energy into a tissue every single night. Your body is designed to use that energy for building muscle, chasing goals, fighting battles, winning in life. Instead, you're wasting it on 5 minutes of fake pleasure and 100 years of grit. That's why you feel empty, because you are literally throwing away your drive, my friend. So, here is another sign. You don't see women as women anymore. You see them as thumbnails, clips, algorithms. You don't even look them in the eyes anymore because your brain is rewired to see them as pixels on a screen. And then when you are in real life, you freeze. You don't know how to talk to them, how to connect, how to lead. Because your brain thinks intimacy is just a video. You click, you are not connecting, you are consuming. And that is killing your masculinity. And finally, the shame. Don't pretend it's not there. You feel like a king before, but the second it's over, you feel like garbage. It's like you just betray yourself. That's shame. That shame isn't random. That's your mind screaming at you. This is not what we were bred for. And you try to bury it, distract yourself, but deep down you know exactly what I'm saying is true. So let's now talk about the damage, because this isn't just some harmless little habits, it's poison, slow poison. And it's raking 3 areas of your life. First, it's gonna be your body. Your body. It lowers your testosterone. You have weaker, no energy, poor sleep, you've got the genetics of a warrior and you are living like a zombie. You have got a Ferrari in the garage, but you are filling the tank with cheap, dirty fuel. You were meant to fight, to build, to conquer, and instead you are sitting in front of a screen, draining yourself like a slave to your own hand. So wake up, Neo, wake up. So another one is you think about porn. It's not just about the body; it's rewiring your brain. So because of dopamine, the reward chemical from pixels. So when it comes to time to focus on work, study, build something, go to the gym, your brain say, "Why bother? I just get my reward instantly with one click." And that's why your concentration sucks. That's why you can't read a book for 10 minutes. That's why your confidence is dead, because you have already spent your brain power chasing fake rewards instead of real ones. So the last one is your social life. Let's be real. Let's be real. How many of you avoid women because deep down you're terrified? You can't perform. Or worse, you are just not even interested anymore. Instead of chasing real connection, real woman, you are chasing the next video. You are not living life, you are spectating it. You are not the main character. You are the guy sitting in the audience watching someone else win. So every single click, every single session is your manhood leaking out half of your hands, piece by piece. And you wonder why you feel weaker? That's the answer, my friend. So admit it first. Admit it, it's a problem. Step one, admit it. Stop lying to yourself. Stop saying everybody does it, it's normal. Spending hours a day watching strangers do what you don't have the courage to do. This is not normal. That's not masculinity, that's slavery. Until you face that, nothing changes. So make it harder as well to relapse. If it's easy, you will do it again, period. Block the site, delete the apps, don't sleep with your phone next to your bed, charge it in another room, make it inconvenient. The less convenient it is, the easier it becomes to win. So again, it's that easy. Replace it. You don't just quit, you replace, go to the gym, lift weight, do boxing, run until you can't breathe, work on your projects, your business, your craft, go outside, talk to real women, bridge real connections. If you want to stop drowning, you don't just lift your head above water, you learn how to swim. It's that easy. So again, I'm here to help you. So now listen to me carefully. You think you have got time, you think it's not urgent, but every single day you stay stuck in this addiction. Every single day is a day stolen from the man you could be. It's invisible, uncuffed. And the coolest part, you are the one holding the key, so the choice is yours. Stay chained to your screen or break free and take your power back. So don't tell me tomorrow, don't tell me Monday, start today, right now, because every minute you waste is another step into weakness. And if you're serious, if you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, then drop it in the comment right now. I take back my power. That's the first step, declaring war. The rest I will guide you through. But you have got to start today. The key is in your hands. Take it. Have a look below in the description. You will have a link if you want to buy my course. Go there. And to not be a slave anymore, it's not expensive at all. So again, click in the description. You have the training and go there, my friend. Thank you.